Cleaning and decorating our home temples are certainly among the key tasks during the festivals. Personally, I love doing makeover of my puja room during Dussehra and Deepavali. I am really thrilled to share the whole process of this year's decoration. Hope you enjoy watching it. This video is powered by Meesho. Let's start. This is our puja room that you would have seen in the earlier videos. To start with, I have removed all the idols and puja essentials from the counter to clean them. Now that puja room is empty, I am starting the decoration from the back wall. LED string light has been there for last 2 years, but it has come out from some places. With the help of a scotch tape and command hooks, I have tucked it back neatly. Perfect. Placing this colorful and beautiful toran on the top of the back wall, which I bought from Meesho. Next, placing these red door hangings on the side walls. I have 2 pairs of these and I have outlined the inner side walls with these hangings. At the back wall, we have this beautiful CNC wall panel installed. And I am decorating it further by placing these artificial marigold flowers between the cuts. Filling up 3 lines with these flowers and the rest of the panel will stay as it is. Wow, these flowers are adding colors to this panel. Let's decorate the ceiling now. We get artificial marigold garlands like these. I took 2 flowers in a thread and strung a bell at the bottom. It will become a small version of door hangings. I have made few of these and will be placing them on the ceiling, outlining the ceiling light, making it look like a chandelier of bells. Isn't it looking pretty? Wall and ceiling decor is done. Now let's come to the countertop where we keep the idols. As most of the decor consists of red color, I am placing the red asan with the golden border here. Bright solid color helps brass idols to stand out. Placing these brass diya lamps on each side of the idols. Spreading rose petals on each side covering the counter. I am not going to light these lamps and only using them as decor pieces. Placing real marigold flower on them. Now let's decorate the puja room floor. Here I have covered the edges with artificial garland. In the middle, making a circle and filling it up with rose petals. Now surrounding it with beautiful rangoli petals. I have these tea light candle holders decorated with pom-poms which are also complementing the toran. I have placed them on all the 4 corners. To complete the rangoli, placing my favorite brass diya in the center. Floor is done. Now let's place all the puja essentials. I have this beautiful puja thali which I bought from Meesho. I have prepared it with kumkum, haldi, little bit of rice, a couple of flowers and ghee bati. Placing this lota here with the marigold flower on the top. Akhand jyoti diya here in the front. Now placing this puja thali here and dhoop dani here on the left side. I am further decorating this place by placing these beautiful brass spoons on each side. Wow, it looks lovely and mesmerizing. Next day I felt I could do little more, so place these white flowers surrounding the base of the diya lamps. And replace marigold to this beautiful hibiscus which I plucked from our balcony garden. I also replaced the orange marigold with yellow. Before I give you the whole look of the puja room, let's decorate its door and outside area. To decorate the puja room entrance, first I have placed these garland hangings on each side of the door. Now here on the top we have this brass hook installed to hang the bell. I am placing this gorgeous pair of hanging brass diyas here. Attaching these flowers on the 6 glass sections of the door. Just below this on the floor, I have placed this marble stand, and this will be utilized to keep this beautiful urli with water and roses. With this, our puja room decoration is done. This is how it looks from outside. And this is how it looks from inside. So soothing and mesmerizing. I am loving this look. Do let me know in the comment section if you all share the same thought. Most of the items to decorate this puja room are from Meesho, such as this toran, these door hangings, this thali, and these tea light candle holders. Everything is so beautiful and I got them at such affordable prices. Also, all the 3 traditional dresses which I have worn in the video are from Meesho. They are gorgeous, made of good quality and available at very reasonable prices. Meesho is India's favorite app to buy products at lowest ever prices. It is trusted by 1 crore users across India. You can choose from 50 lakh plus products across women's and men's fashion, kids wear, home, kitchen and many more. Ordering from Meesho is very easy. Select the product you like to order. Now just add it to the cart. Go to the cart and select the payment mode. Now add the address and place order. So easy. I've mentioned the details of all these products in the description box. Get your first order discount of ₹100 or flat 30% off by clicking the link in the description box to download Meesho. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.